Here's the Subaru Outback. Let's get started. Now there's a door sensor on all the four doors. I'm just going to show you the process on the left side doors. Now let's start with the front door. Right over there's a sensor and that one bolt that's holding it in place. You can either use a 10mm socket ratchet combination or a Phillips screwdriver. Either one of them works. Let's just go ahead and undo that bolt and take it out. Keep it somewhere safe. Do not lose that bolt. Now at this point you can just grab the sensor and pull it out of the body, and out it comes. Now we need to get the electrical connector off of it. However, be careful that there's not a whole lot of wire length over there, so do not lose the electrical connector. Press down over there, get the sensor off of it, but continue holding on to the connector there. Get the new sensor, slide it on. It only goes on one way, and then click it to secure it in place. And now let's put it back into the body. Now the bolt is important because the bolt is what connects the metal part on the sensor with the metal in the car body, and that's what completes the electrical connection, and that's what makes the sensor work. Without the bolt, the sensor will not work. See, I'm pressing over there and it reflects over here on the dashboard, so that's good. Now let's move on to the rear door. Open the door and right over there is a sensor. Same sensor, same bolt, same everything. No differences whatsoever. Just to prove the point though, let's just go ahead, get the bolt off. Same thing, press down on the connector there and get the connector off the sensor. Now get the new sensor, put the connector back onto it and click it in place to secure it. And now let's put it back into the body. It goes in a bit of an angle there. Good. Now once it's in place, hand tighten the bolt first and then just tighten it down using the socket ratchet combination or the Phillips screwdriver. Let's try this out. I'm pressing the sensor over there and it does reflect over on the dash, and that is pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.